Hey, what's going on YouTube? All right, so this is a quick video for all the S-Class from 2000 to 2006. If you happen to take your battery off or do a reset or anything like that to the electrical system on your S-Class W220, and after you take the battery cable off, plug it back in if it died, whatever you're doing, you'll see that this will come up. The ABS light will come on, number one, and then you have ESP, visit workshop, brake assist, as your dash done, and there's nothing else going on. There's a quick and easy fix to that, and all you have to do is the steering wheel alignment check with that. Now, what I mean by that, you're just calibrating the sensors from behind. So all you're going to need to do is do a turn to turn all the way, and it's calibrated. So I'll just show you real quick. Hopefully you'll be able to see everything. Turn all the way through while it really turns, okay? Turn all the way through. Back. I think you should do it twice. And there you go. Everything is off, and that fixes it.